today's video, guys, for today's workout, 10 exercise, 30 seconds rest, 20 seconds work. Tara, game. First, mag-warm up muna tayo. Stretch your legs. Like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, stretch down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, hands here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is hip rotation. 1 until 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is trunk twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is open close. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is big circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shake your arms. So yun guys, ready? First workout natin is jog in place 30 seconds in 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30 seconds, jog in place. This is beginners friendly 10 exercise, 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Inhale, exhale, take your time, 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and relax. 20 seconds rest. Inhale, exhale. For our next exercise, step. Okay. 10 seconds. Start towards the right. 2, 1, and go. Twenty seconds. 10 seconds. All right, stop. 20 seconds rest. For our next exercise, open your legs like this. Then hands here, stretch, then stretch. Okay. 10 seconds. Start towards the left. 3, 2, 1, go. Stretch, stretch. Let's go. 20 seconds. Oh. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 20 seconds rest. Next is march. 1, 2. Okay. 10 seconds. This is our fourth exercise. 6 more. 5. Start like this. Okay. Swing your arms, guys. And go. 1. Let's go. Engage your core. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Balance. 10. 5. Okay, rest. Woo. Relax, guys. Inhale, exhale. Next exercise is stand like this. Then bring your hands up. Then 1. Okay, one side. After 15 seconds, switch. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Ready? Switch. 10 seconds. 5, 4. Okay, relax. Next, we're gonna do jumping jacks. All right. So like this. Okay, this is our sixth exercise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Slowly, don't rush, so you won't get injured. 20 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, nice one. Rest. This next exercise, our seventh, is you're gonna hit your legs, basic air squats. So hands here, then up. 5 seconds. Ready? Go. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Okay, relax. Next, for our eighth exercise, diagonal wood chop. Stretch, then chop. 10 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. 2, 1. Okay, stretch. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, relax. 20 seconds. Ninth exercise, other side. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Finish strong. 15 seconds. 10, 9. Okay, relax. 20 seconds last. Next, for our finisher, we're gonna do run in place as fast as you can. Let's go, guys. This is our last exercise. Ready? 5, 4, as fast as you can, guys. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Kahit hindi ganun kataas, basta mabilis. Let's go, guys. Push yourself. Burn those calories. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's one, Mama Paul. Yun, guys. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.